Hi, it's Pia's Tarot. Hello, Scorpio placements. This is your love reading. Okay, ngayong end. Okay, bago mag-end ang October. Okay, so the person on your mind, titingnan natin yung next action niya and kukuha tayo ng gabay. Okay? Para alam natin kung anong gagawin nating action pagdating sa next action niya. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayong biging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may mga tanong pagdating sa private reading, sa ating mga evil eye, items for protection, diba, nabubulol pa, and love bracelet, and yung atin pong granter necklace, and dun sa ating new item for cleansing, yeah, just message me. Okay, so yeah, let's start. Scorpio, dadalian lang natin kasi ang ingay ng paligid. I cannot. Okay, so Scorpio, some of you, you're dealing with separation. Okay. Anyway, okay, let's see who is the person on your mind, Scorpio. Okay, the person on your mind, Scorpio, the Empress. Okay, so you see this person as your sabihin nating half. Okay. Ang lalim. Okay, so for me, some of them pwedeng may anak, or pwedeng may anak kayo. Ano tong Empress? This person is physically attractive. Okay? Pwedeng ganun ang tingin mo sa kanya kahit hindi naman talaga attractive. Okay. Let's see. Ano tong Empress? Ano tong Empress? Yeah, Judgment. Yeah. Ang tingin mo sa taong to, siya yung bigay. Siya na yung para sa'yo. See? Ay, napaka-attractive. Tingin mo sa taong to, gustong gusto mo itong taong to, Scorpio. This is you. This is your energy. Okay? Gusto mo talaga siya. Yun ang number one. Empress, Emperor. Okay? You're feeling a deep connection with this person. A strong connection with this person. Okay? Some of you have this age gap or maybe huge age gap. Okay, there's difference. Okay. Some of them may pera. Okay? So, kung wala sa mga binanggit ko yung person mo, then this is not your reading. I'm sorry. Okay. So, let's see anong situation ninyo, Scorpio. Okay, the Knight of Pentacles in reverse. The Six of Pentacles in reverse. Meron ditong situation na parang hindi maaksyonan. Okay? Sabihin nating hindi mabigyang focus or parang yung masabing, okay, ilalaban ko to or bibigyan ko na talaga to ng pagkakataon. Something like that. Some of you sa situation, may nakikita ko rito isa sa inyo is merong conflict pagdating sa pera. Okay, so there's imbalance. Pwedeng siya meron, pwedeng ikaw wala, or pwedeng vice versa. Or sabihin, vice versa. I mean flip, okay? Pwedeng ikaw ang may pera, siya yung wala. May ganyan, okay? Someone here is too kind. Someone is too kind. May energy rito na parang yung isa talagang gumagawa at gumagawa, bigay ng bigay. Okay? Yung parang nasasamantala na. Yeah. See? May bigay ng bigay. Someone is too generous. Okay? Alam nyo, itong sitwasyon na to, parang talagang ibinigay sa'yo, sa inyo ni Universe, para may matutunan, para may malaman pa. Okay? The Wheel of Fortune. The Ten of Swords in reverse. Yung iba sa inyo may chance ng energy na parang paulit-ulit kayo nitong taong to. On off, on off, on off. Okay? Sa situation, yung isang specific na nakikita ko dito, you want another chance with this person. Okay? You want, this person talaga gustong gusto mo. Kahit ilang ulit. Okay? Open na open. Parang ganyan. Pero, someone is sabihin nating hindi ganoon kabuo yung loob. Okay? Para totohanin kung anong meron. I don't know kung ano man yun. That's specific. So, let's see. What is their emotion for you, Scorpio? What is their emotion for you? The High Priestess in reverse. The World. Okay. So, ito yung taong provide. Open for you. Okay? See, the Ace of Cups. Ang nakuha kong energy dito is they're too generous, they're too kind. Unconditional love ang ibinibigay nito sa'yo. Okay? Pero, I don't know kung ano nakikita nito for you. Kung anong ginagawa mo. Kasi meron ditong one-sided. Or sabihin nating yung isa is talagang ganap na ganap. Yung isa is hindi. Okay? So, siguro, andun yung pakiramdam na kailangan mo tong taong to. Kasi na-provide niya lahat. Yeah, being the Empress, being the Emperor, they can provide. Okay? Kahit nga walang kakonek yan eh. They can provide for themselves. Okay? Kung may anak man yan, kaya niyan. Kahit mag-isa lang. Okay? So, tingnan natin. I don't know kung may makaka-resonate dito. Okay. Kung meron man sana flip. Okay? Sana kayo yung gumagawa nito. Anyway. Next action niya towards you, Scorpio. Next action. The Knight of Swords in reverse. They're in a hurry. They're in a rush. Ano yun? Ano tong Knight of Swords in reverse? Temperance. May pagmamadali ako nakikita rito. Nagmamadali siya. I don't know kung ano yan. See, the sun. Kaya ka ipaglaban ito. Taong to. Okay? Kaya kang ipaglaban nito. Why the Temperance is here? Bakit siya nagmamadali? Bakit? Alam nyo, may nakuha akong energy ha. Atong taong to, I don't know, something lang na pwedeng, gusto lang niya na merong, sabihin nating, makahanap ng totoong connection na pwedeng ipoprovide rin sa kanya yung mga na-ipoprovide niya, something like that. Pero, kung may anak din to, ang nakukuha ko naman is, gusto niya na magkaroon siya ng parang buong pamilya, parang ganyan. Okay? So, ang nakikita ko kasi is, hindi rin naman niya iniisip yung sarili lang niya eh. Lalo na kung may anak. Okay? Ganun ang nakukuha ko. Pero nasasamantala. Okay? Yeah. Someone is too afraid. Yeah, someone is too afraid. Meron ako nakukuha dito na meron, sabihin nating tinatakot yung isa para magbigay ng magbigay, mag-give in dito sa sitwasyon. Okay? Anong meron? Kasi talaga namang napakabait nito sa totoo lang kung sino man to. Napaka. Lahat gagawin. Yeah, see? They want this. They want this. Relationship, long-term commitments, seryosohan. Okay, they want kasal. Okay, they want that. Some of them, gusto na nila na magkaroon kayo ng anak if ever. Yeah. Ang dami ko nakukuha ang storya. Itong taong to gusto makipagbalikan. Okay, this is another story. Itong taong to gusto makipagbalikan sa'yo. Lahat gagawin nito, ipoprovide nito everything. Okay? So, siya yung gagawa lahat. Okay? Magiging open sa'yo. Itong taong to sa lahat. Yeah, para siyang open book for you. Okay? Next action niya, andyan yung pagmamadali. May chance na meron ditong gusto niya magkaanak kayo. Okay? Para sabihin natin andun na yung kasal. I don't know. May chance kasi na pwede niyang gawin yun eh. That's so specific. Hindi yun para sa lahat. Okay? Hindi yun para sa lahat. Gusto niya magkaanak with you. Okay? Yeah. This is sex. Okay? This is sex. They want... Yeah, pwede may mangyari sa inyo bago mag-end ang October. Yes. And this is not protected. Okay? This is like pagkakataon na to. See? The star. The star. So, igagrab nyo yan. Yeah, I'm seeing sex bago mag-end ang October para sa inyong dalawa. And I'm seeing here, there's this chance of pregnancy. Okay? Yeah, the Ace of Wands. May chance ng pregnancy para sa iba sa inyo. Kasi gusto niya eh. Yung parang ito na yung pagkakataon para hindi na makawala. I don't know, parang may ganon. Okay? I don't know. It's like, tingin ng isa sa inyo is a big catch. Okay? A big catch. Anong advice for you, Scorpio? Advice. Okay. Advice for Scorpio, please. Bago mag-end ang October, and dito sa sitwasyon na to, ng advice for Scorpio, the Page of Cups. This is emotion. This is emotion being expressed. Okay. Enough with the maturity. Okay. See, the moon. Oh, no. May magtatago ng totoong emosyon dito. Sana... Okay. Kung meron, I'm seeing here kalinawan. Okay? Kalinawan kung anong meron dito. Ibibigay, i-express, ipapakita kung ano man. Okay? Lahat ng nakatago. Kung meron ditong ipaglalaban, ilalaban. Kasi ito na yung parang go. Okay? This is like, ito na yung tamang timing. Ito na yung tamang timing. The Judgment. Tamang timing. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo po ha, may chance ng pregnancy talaga. Big energy ng pregnancy. So, if you're not ready na magkaroon ng mini you, then, okay. Alam nyo na. Ha? Okay. So, yeah. Ina-advise dito na kung gusto mo tong taong to, iwasan mo na yung pagiging immature. Okay? Because hindi sila, they are not after na magkaroon ng ng kakonect na sabihin natin hindi naman the same level kung anong meron sila. Okay? Marami pinagdaanan na tong taong to. So, I think enough with the maturity. Okay? May ganun. See, the Three of Pentacles. This is cooperation. Okay, this is cooperation. Enough with the sabihin nating ewan, bahala na, enough with that. Yung mga ganong salita. Okay, this is the time na mag-step up, I think. Stepping up sa situation. Kung may magbabalik or kung mayroong mga nagbabalik na nga sa ngayon. Gusto nito ng energy ng long term. Pwede maging vice versa if ever. Or sabihin nating energy ng flip. Pwedeng siya yung ikaw yung nakakaranas nito. Okay? Then, might as well ipaalam mo sa kanya, no? Kung ano talaga yung intention mo. Kasi kung hindi mo makikita yung intention or kung hindi mo makikita yung cooperation na kailangan mo, then this is a big BS. Okay? So, ano po yung BS? Ayoko pong sabihin. That is B-U-L S-H-I-T. O, diba? Hindi ko rin talaga. Okay? Okay. So, yun. Ayaw natin tong wala lang. Mangyari is wala lang. Ayaw natin yun. Ha? Okay. Okay. So, tungo na tayo sa all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is a strong connection. Yun nga lang, masyadong immature yung isa. And yung isa is sobrang mature. Gusto na nang sabihin natin lumagay sa tahimik, parang ganyan. Pero someone is, I think, hindi pa ready or maybe they just want to play around. Anyway, Aries, they like you, they want you, they need you. Okay. Taurus, may chance ng ending of a cycle. Someone will have limits. Okay, may magkakaroon ng limits, parang ganyan. Gemini, they like you. Okay, they want commitments. Cancer yan. There is no, sabihin natin, slow to no action. Leo, may attraction. Okay, they like you physically. Virgo, there's this decision na pwedeng mangyari with this Virgo. Libra, okay, so there's this energy ng hopeless. Being hopeless pagdating sa commitments or hopeless or sabihin nating energy ng hindi healed. Scorpio, okay. So, someone is feeling na baka magkaroon ng missed opportunity. Okay? Parang ganyan. Someone is overthinking. Sagittarius, they want to take action. Capricorn, there's this energy of third party involvement. May chance na meron ditong pipiliin or merong, may pipiliin, may aalisin. Aquarius, this is like energy of clarity. Some of you, this is closure, or as simple as this is an energy of a message. Okay? Pisces, they're avoiding you. I don't know why they're avoiding you. Pero they're stressed. They're stressing habang sila ay nag-a-avoid. I don't know why. Okay? So there. Yun ang aking reading for you, Scorpio placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.